What's going on, guys? Eric with TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're going to be going autocrossing. So if you watched the last video, we got the car ready. We found a few parts loose. We got those tightened up. We got all the wheels torqued down, and then now we're going to do some final checks with some fluids this morning, and we should be ready to go. But we're going to be just doing the afternoon session today, and then we're going to be filming the cars going in the morning. So we got to go to the shop, and we got to just check everything and kind of get everything going. So if you're looking to see the car go around the track, definitely click on the next video following this video, because this will be part 1 and you'll see part 2. So alrighty, yeah, we're gonna have to hit the road, get some gas, and then check some fluids. I gotta grab my helmet, can't forget that. So alrighty, we'll check in with you in a little bit. Alrighty, so we're off. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alrighty, you're ready. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go. So, like an idiot, I forgot my helmet, so we had to run and go grab one. Yeah, but we're still gonna make it on time. We're following a few people right now, going to the track. Yeah, looks like we're gonna make it on time. So, alrighty, check in with you when we get there. Alrighty, so try to get set up. I think.
Time of 41,564. 41,564 from Vladimir and then Subaru BRZ. Rich out again, probably hoping to crack. Taking out the cone. Nice driving by Rich. Saving a little bit of work for DNF. Came out a little bit hot. Dig what he should have said. Saved the runners a whole bunch of work. Changed the cars, potentially dragging them under the car for a while. So make sure it happens. Still old mobile powered. So he's running a 5. That might be big car. Time of 42,699 in a Oldsmobile for Cody. In the AM session, Cody was in P1 for quite a while before Dustin Rogers. It's a beautiful sight, seeing a third Gen F body out on track, doing what it's meant to be doing. Maybe not, but it's doing it. Travel, Rich all the way from the Brainerd area. get lost out there sometimes, especially when you're moving quick in a car.
Send it.
In that car is a great run. Time of 49. A clean run nonetheless. Looks like Jace is up for his third and final run of this heat. We send the next three up. We got Kyle Nelson from the afternoon. After looking at these. The world class 5 transmission. Either in 10 or 9 third gen Merrills and Firebirds came with this drum, but rear brakes, this may have the J65 equipped. Being a manual car, this is likely 47881.
Pretty successful autocross. Made 6 runs, and I don't think we should do any more. It sounded like a weird sound in the car when I spun second, so I don't want to push it. But quite a few people the afternoon that stayed and ran the afternoon session along with the morning session. But I think we're gonna call it. I think I've had enough for today, but yeah, check out the other video. This is part 2, so check out part 1. I'll link it down below in the description. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and have a good day or night, whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.